Want a steak dinner that's fresh, colorful, and full of flavor? Tenderloin steaks with roasted sweet potatoes, roasted beets, and a pistachio kale chimichurri. Hi, Chef Dagan here in the Beef It's What's for Dinner Culinary Center, funded by the Beef Checkoff. Let's get started. We're going to start first with our vegetables. We have our oven preheated to 400. I'm going to peel it like this. It's just a little bit faster for me. You can use a peeler if you'd like. And if you want to leave a little skin on there, that's okay too. We're just going to cut these into 1/4 inch rounds. We have our baking sheet with our parchment paper down here. Just going to go ahead and spread all those out. Let's do our beets. If you want to wear gloves here, you can, so you don't get your fingertips all red from the beets. All right, go ahead and spread all these out. Then we're just going to season them with some salt and pepper. And we're using a little bit of a cooking spray as our oil. And then we're going to add just a little bit of salt and some black pepper. And we're just going to roast these. Should take around 10 to 12 minutes until they're nice and tender. Go ahead and drop them in our oven. While those are cooking, we're going to go ahead and start our chimichurri. Okay, we have some kale, some chopped kale. We have some toasted pistachios. We have some red wine vinegar. And then we're going to use some fresh juices. We got some orange, some lemon, get it some tangy, some citrus. Chimichurris are amazing for any steak dish you can come up with, particularly this one. Okay, we got some fresh OJs going in here. It's great. We have the sweetness from the orange juice, the citrus from the lemon, and then some of the red wine vinegar. We're going to add in some fresh garlic and some black pepper and some olive oil. And then we're going to add some parsley in there. You can chop it ahead if you want to, or you can just throw it in here and let the blender do the work. This will give it a little bit more freshness. All right, and let's blend this up. All right, look at that. There's our chimichurri. We're going to go ahead and add in some pomegranate seeds. Adds a little freshness, a little sweetness, a little sourness, and a little texture. So we're just going to go ahead and give this a couple little thumps. Get these to come out. Pick all the little white parts out so we just have the seeds. Try to clean them up as much as we can. And we're just going to go ahead and add these into our blended chimichurri. There you go. Looks beautiful. And now it's time to cook the steaks. We have our non-stick pan to a medium-high heat here. We're going to go ahead and use our cooking spray again. We're going to spray our steaks. Make sure you get both sides of these. Okay, we're going to spray those, then we're going to go ahead and give it some salt, some pepper, make sure we season these nicely. All right, got a little salt. All right, and that's it. We're going to go ahead and sear these. It should take about 7 to 10 minutes. We're gonna cook them all the way here on top of the stove. Okay, our steaks have been cooking for about 4 minutes. We're gonna give them a nice little flip. See that nice caramelization on there. We got some good umami flavor building up. We're gonna let these cook for just a few more minutes. Okay, our steaks are nice and cooked perfectly. We're gonna go ahead and let them rest while we grab our vegetables and get ready to plate this up. This one goes quick. Okay, we're gonna grab our vegetables out of the oven. They're nice and tender and roasted. Okay, we're gonna plate this up. Make it beautiful. We eat with our eyes. Make a nice little decoration here. Okay, then we're gonna give a nice little layer of beets. All right, nice. And then we got our steaks ready. Nice and rested. Cooked perfectly. And then we're going to add a little bit of our beautiful pureed chimichurri here. And we're just going to hit these steaks. Get a little bit on each one. And we can add a little bit to the vegetables too, just to give them a little bit of flavor. And there you have it. Seared tenderloin steaks with roasted beets and sweet potatoes with a pistachio kale chimichurri. Like and subscribe. When you cook this recipe, leave the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. For more inspiration and recipes, go to beefwhat'sforDinner.com.